Okay, I'm going to talk about the bones of the ankle and the foot. All right, so we're looking at the right foot right now, and I'll go ahead and point out the tarsals, which are the bones that collectively make up the ankle region. Okay, the tarsals, and there are 7 tarsals. The only 2 specific tarsals that you need to be able to identify for my class is this somewhat more cuboidal tarsal right here. This is the talus. And the talus is what articulates with the distal end of the tibia and the fibula. So here's the talus, and it articulates with the distal end of both the tibia and the fibula. The largest of the tarsals is this big bone that projects posteriorly. This is the heel bone, and we call this the calcaneus. The calcaneus. So it's our heel bone, and this is important in being able to support the weight of the body on our heel. Okay, so all of these 7 bones are called collectively called the tarsals. The only 2 specific ones you need to know is the talus and the calcaneus. Okay. Next are the metatarsals, and they're analogous to the metacarpals of the hands. The metacarpals make up the palm region, and these metatarsals make up the arch of the foot. Okay. Same thing with the metacarpals. You need to be able to identify number 1 through 5, and 1 is that leads to the great toe. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 being the pinky toe. So these are the metatarsals, and then these are all the phalanges. And if you look, all except the great toe have a proximal phalanx, a middle phalanx, and a distal phalanx. Okay, same thing in the hands. Okay, a proximal and the fingers of the hand. You have a proximal, middle, and distal phalanx. Except for that of the great toe, you only have a proximal and a distal phalanx. And that's it for the foot.